Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax here. Today I want to show you this beautiful 2019 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Starting here on the swim platform, you're going to notice several options. First is the automated submersible swim platform. Below that we have underwater lighting, and then back here you're going to notice the sun pad option that you can slide the backrest back in place there. And then underneath you have a wet storage locker here that will just drain out so that wet life jackets, water toys, they can stay out here, drain out, keep the interior dry. And as you go forward, you'll notice a stereo remote that's convenient to the water. You can actually swim up and turn down the volume or turn it up, whatever you need. Transom shower back there too. And on this side we have the gourmet station with the electric grill, the refrigerator, dedicated trash bin there, cockpit TV, and lots of seating space, huge L-shaped seating space back here with the teak table. Overhead you have the hardtop with the opening canopy here in the center, and then aft you've got the extended shade that will go out over the lounge in the back. And here in the cockpit also we have cockpit air conditioning, and then up here at the helm you're going to have your SIMRAD digital displays. This boat's equipped with radar, chart plotter, sat TV, lots of electronics. The engines are Mercruiser 6.2 liter V8s, 300 horse, with Axius joystick. The helm seat is equipped with flipped up bolsters, and it's a double helm seat, as you can see. Over here on the passenger side, you can face aft if you need a spotter for watching people on tubes or whatever, or then you can move it back and face forward. And the really great thing about the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer is the bow seating. You're going to see this through this walkthrough here. The bow seating is recessed, and you can see that it's a lot safer with this recessed bow seating. You've got drop down armrest, very comfortable area, stereo remote, LED courtesy lighting there. The railing makes it safer if you have children up here. Also up here on the bow we have the stainless steel anchor, which is controlled by an electric anchor windlass that you can control here at the bow or at the dash. You have their stainless steel remote spotlight. And this boat's also equipped with the bow shade system where you can insert the poles, have another bimini top, if you will, up here. Here in the cabin area, you'll see that the boat's equipped with this handsome table here, this triangular table that can be lowered and made into a bed here, and it also has a flat screen TV in this area. The control panel is here with all your main electrical control panel switches. On the port side of the cabin we have the galley area featuring a microwave and refrigerator and some storage lockers down here. On the starboard side we've got the head area, which has the vacuum flush toilet, vessel style sink, vanity, shower. This is the aft berth of the 320 Sundancer, and as you can see it's a rather large berth area. It can be a two single berths or one large one like you see it here, equipped with storage, lighting, and flat screen TV. So that wraps up the walkthrough on the 2019 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This boat is very well equipped. Was sold new by MarineMax Dallas, always been on the freshwater lake here in North Texas. Low hours, only 100 hours on the engines. Always kept in a covered slip, well maintained, well equipped. Once again, my name is Wally Wells. I'm with MarineMax. Thanks for watching.